If you are currently looking for a way to earn money online, I'm going to be sharing with you how you'll be able to earn money online using a free Google product, and I will advise you to watch the video to the end. But before we continue, the first thing I want you to do for me right now is to help me to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that I'll be glad to share more updates like this with you again. And to get started, all you just need to do right now is to go on right now and go to Google search section right here. Once you come to Google search right here, click on this particular section right here. Once you click on this particular section right here, you just need to scroll down right here. You can see to actually locate a free Google product which you are going to be using to actually earn money online right here. You can see, come to this particular section right now and click on this blogger. Once you click on this blogger, but if you are unable to locate this particular section right here on your phone, all you just need to do is to go to this particular website known as blogger.com. Okay, you can see once you visit a particular place, it will also still take you back to this particular section right here. And once it take you to this particular section, all you just need to do right now is to click on this particular section right here. Once you click on this particular section right here, go on right now and click on this blog, create a blog right here. Once you click on this create a blog right here, we are going to be creating a blog which we are going to be using to actually earn money online, and I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step process right here. You may be thinking, I already know this particular process, or you may have come across this particular process before, or you might have account on this particular platform before, but this is actually a new method which people are actually currently using right there to actually earn money online. All you just need to do right now is to enter your title of the blog. You can see it says choose a name for your blog. This is the title that will be displayed at the top of your blog. Okay, let me use real money spot. Okay, let me use the real money spot as the title. Okay, let me go on right now and still copy it. Okay, I'll click on next immediately after that. Once I click on next, right now we are going to be choosing our URL for our website right there. This is a URL is what user can actually type to actually locate our blog on our on search engine. Okay, all I just need to do right now is to actually use real money spot right there. You can see you just need to go on right now and enter the name which you actually prefer to use. Okay, you can see this web address is how people will find your blog online. This is what people will actually use to actually locate your website online. Okay, you can see it right there. You can see, and because it is actually a website which you are creating using a free Google product, it will actually come with your name.blogspot.com. You can see it right there, and I'm going to be sharing with you how you actually be able to earn money with this particular process right here. Okay, you can see, sorry, this blog address is not available. Okay, since it is not available, let me just put 2 in front of it. This is actually available right now. You can see this is our blog address right now, which means by the end of this, we are going to have realmoneyspot2.blogspot.com is the website address which you are going to have. Click on save right here to actually save that right now, and you can see it is actually processing right now, and our blog is about to get ready right here. This is actually the first step, and the next step will actually surprise you. You can see our blog is ready, and if you actually go on right now and visit realmoneyspot2.blogspot.com, you actually be able to access this particular website right there. The next you need to do right now is to go on right now and set up your blog right there. You can see the blog is still blank right there. You cannot put any data on it. We are going to design this particular website right there. Click on this particular section right here. Once you click on this particular section right here, you can see it right there. Once you click on this particular section right here, this is where post is going to appear. If you want to create a new post, this is where you are going to create a new post. But before that, you can see the earning section right here. Before I actually show you how you'll be able to start earning with this particular process, all I just need to do right now is to go right now, click on this theme section right here. Let's set up our blog to actually look more professional before we go on. Okay, let me use this particular template right here. Let's go on right now and choose one template. Okay, let me click on apply. This is how our blog is going to actually look like. Okay, go back right now. Once you go back to this particular section right now, okay, if you want to post, you can actually click on this new post right here. Once you click on this new post right here, you can see it right there. It will take you to this particular section right here. Enter the title of what you want to post right there. Let me say you want to post on how Immediately after entering our title, the next thing we need to do right now is to go on right now and enter our post right here. You can see it right there. I've already written this particular post on how to earn money using ChatGPT. The next thing we need to do right now after arranging our post is to actually click on this particular section right now to actually publish our post on this particular new website right here. You can see it is actually very simple and our post is actually published right here. And before we actually go on right now to actually access our website, okay, let's go on right now to access this particular website which I just created. You can see this is actually the post which I just made right now. You can see it right there, and you can see it real money spot right now. And you also can also visit this particular website and you'll be able to see that you'll be able to access this particular new website right now. And if I should click on it right now, let me click on this read more right there, you'll be able to see the post which are actually published on this particular website. Let's go back right now. Let me share with you more information about this particular site right here. If you go back right now to this particular section right now and click on this particular section right here, once you click on this particular section right now, you can see and scroll down right now to this particular section right now. You can click on this earning section right here. Once you click on this earning section right here, you'll be able to see connect AdSense. You can see it right there. Before you actually go on right now to actually connect your AdSense, you can go on and make more research about AdSense. AdSense is actually a Google product that actually help you to actually earn money using your blog. Okay, you just need to go on right now and click on connect AdSense. But before you go on to connect the AdSense, you need to make sure that you write enough unique content to your blog. Once you write enough unique content to your blog, you'll be able to actually go on right now and connect your AdSense, so that once you connect it and Google is able to approve it, you'll be able to start getting paid the more people are actually visiting your website. If you have any question concerning this particular strategy which I just share with you right now, you can actually ask me in the comment section of this video, and I'm always available to actually answer you right now. And apart from that, you can also earn money also through affiliate by promoting affiliate link on this particular website. You can actually embed your affiliate link in this particular any of your posts on this particular website and actually promote any affiliate product using this particular strategy which I just share with you right now. By embedding any affiliate link in this particular post, you actually earn money once people are able to purchase anything through your affiliate link on this particular website. The next thing you need to do right now is to go to Google and search for Google Trend. Once you come to Google Trend, this is actually one of the most important section right now. All you need to do is to actually search for this first one that shows Google Trend. This is another important Google product which you can actually use to do keyword research on this particular space right here and be able to actually know what people are actually searching for before you actually go on right now to start writing your first article on your website. And this particular thing, all you just need to do right now is to go on right now and click on this particular section right now, this particular location section right now, and choose your target location. As for me, I want to target Nigeria right there. I just want to click on to select Nigeria right there. After selecting Nigeria, the next thing I need to do right now is to click on this particular section right now if you are making use of your phone. Once you click on this particular section right now, it will take you to this particular section right there. All you just need to do is to click on this trending now. Once you click on this trending now right there, you just need to allow it to load. Immediately after loading, this is some of the key settings which you need to actually go on right now to set right there. Okay, you have already chose your location, which is Nigeria right there. You can actually go on right now and choose US or UK. The next you need to do right now is to actually check if you are uploading every day. Let me say you are uploading up to 5 posts every single day, which means you need to go on right now and choose 24 hours. What is currently trending in the past 24 hours? But if you are posting, like, let me say 1 post per day, or let's say 1 post in 2 days, all you don't do right now is to click on this 24 hours section right there. Click on what is currently trending in the past 48 hours, or use what is currently trending in the past 7 days. Okay, let's go on right now and choose what is currently trending in the past 7 days right there. You'll be able to see some of the things that are currently trending in the past 7 days on this particular section. And go on right now, scroll down right now to this particular section right now and click on. Once you click on this all trend right there, you just to go on right now and select your own category. If you are in make money niche, select make money. If you are in entertainment niche, you just to go on right now and select entertainment. And if you are in gaming niche, go on right now and select gaming. And if you are in business and finance, go on right now and select business and finance. Okay, let me use business and finance for this particular tutorial right here. Let's go back right now. After selecting business and finance, okay, so you can still go on right now to this particular section right now and select all trend about business and finance. The next thing you need to do right now is scroll down right now to this particular section right now and select, make sure that it is under by relevant. But if you don't want to choose under by relevant, go on right now and choose by recency, or if you want it by search volume, you can go on right now and choose by search volume, but we are going for by relevant. After choosing by relevance, you'll be able to see that these are what are currently trending in the past 7 days on this part on Google. You can see it right there. You can see, if you check right there, you'll be able to see that over 10,000 people are actually searching for Dangote refinery. You can see it right there. And if you check this particular section right there, you'll be able to see that the over 5k people are actually searching for this particular second keyword right there. You can see these are things that are currently trending in the past 7 days on this on Google. You can see, and you can see, if you check right there, you see that this particular keyword is still trending. If you actually do it like this and you are able to write a relevant article and publish it online, you'll be able to see that you'll be able to see more audience reading your post, and in turn you'll be able to earn more. You need to understand that this particular strategy will not actually make you a millionaire or make you to be rich quick, but it will actually help you to actually earn passive income online if you are consistent and put more effort in publishing more relevant articles online. Trust me, you can actually earn money using this particular method which I just shared with you right now. And if you have any question, you are free to ask me in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.